Every year, a new business model comes around claiming it's the best way to make money online. Dropshipping, meme coins, and even reselling. But here's the thing. In 2025, there's only one business model that's blowing everything else out of the water, and it's actually legal. And I'm sure that you guys have heard of TikTok Shop before, but you've never actually paid close attention to it. But what if I told you that you can go from a complete beginner to making $5,000 per month posting simple videos on TikTok? The videos that you used to post of you dancing for 7 seconds straight can now be turned into actual monetization methods. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down why TikTok Shop is hands down the best business model that you guys should start and why you should start today. Now, first of all, TikTok Shop is very, very easy to actually get started with. So let's just say you were to start Amazon FBA, you actually have to buy thousands of dollars worth of inventory, and then you actually have to pay a fee, list it on Amazon, and then also ship it. Same thing with meme coins. If you want to be making a good amount of money, let's say $500 to $1,000 per day, you need to be risking thousands of dollars of your own money. And then for reselling, you obviously have to actually buy inventory to hold it in person to then resell to the public. So for all the mainstream businesses, there is some sort of investment capital, or at least a lot of time that you're going to be spending initially setting it up. But with TikTok Shop, if you have an account that's ready to go, you can start as soon as today. And if anybody's actually questioning if TikTok Shop is something big, TikTok themselves invested millions of dollars into the actual program. And as you guys can see, TikTok's revenue literally increased over 650% in their first year of starting just in 2024. And this is only a couple months after they started integrating TikTok Shop into the actual app, and now it's 2025 and we're entering Q4, which is an even bigger part. And the best part is TikTok Shop videos are no different than the average viral TikTok. So if you already have a social media presence, or you at least know how to make viral content, or you at least have an idea of exactly what TikTok is even about, you can make the same type of videos. And since this is an e-commerce business, you don't have to have thousands of views in order to actually make good money, because people are there just to buy something. Even if you get 500 views on a video, you can make anywhere from $10, $20, or even $100. Compared to the TikTok creativity program, you have to get thousands of views in order to actually make any money, which for most people that are starting off is completely unattainable. Now, I'm not going to sit around and make this seem like the next big thing. This is not really something new. It's a traditional business model that's just been integrated into TikTok, but it's a little bit more advanced. Just think about it such as dropshipping on TikTok itself. The only reason why it's working so well for other people, and especially beginners just like you, is because you don't actually have to go out and find a winning product. They're already there done for you. All you have to do is just make a couple of videos and test a couple of products until you actually hit that big winner and start to make a lot of money. And the best part is you don't have to fulfill the order, do any of the marketing, or do any of the fulfillment. Now, back in 2023, when everybody was hopping onto TikTok for dropshipping, I myself actually tried this out for myself, and it worked, but the conversions were just not there. I would actually have videos that would get 10, 20, or even 50,000 views, and I would barely make any money whatsoever. And the reason being is because the friction of people actually going over to your website and going through the whole checkout process, given if your website's actually good, and then actually completing the order. And then again, it's an external website, so they have no idea if they can trust you and actually give them their credit card info, whereas TikTok Shop is right in the video right then and there. So pretty much the little button that's at the bottom of the video is the point of sale, which makes it super easy to actually check out, which pretty much drives the conversions up by crazy. And it's easier than ever to actually win on TikTok Shop, especially as a beginner, because TikTok wants to completely dominate the e-commerce industry. Exactly why I mentioned having to go to an external website and trust other people, and also having to spend hours customizing your website, testing products and testing creatives is just not what people want to do anymore. And if TikTok can make a cut anywhere from 3 to 5 or even 10%, people like us don't care. As long as they're giving us sales and giving us the revenue that we need, it's a perfect win-win for the both of us. Now, for the actual starting part of TikTok Shop, there are only two main ways that you can actually go about doing this and making money. You can go the live route, or you can go the video route. Now, people actually sleep on lives, but for most starter affiliates, this is the best way to start making money pretty much from day one. And the reason being is because you're literally sitting in a live stream with a product that's potentially going to sell, and you sitting there as the proof of concept. If you have a good product that actually shows results and you're able to actually sell it effectively using your sales skills, if you have any, then you can make money right then and there, since the point of sale is still in the stream. Now, of course, there's a whole craft to this, and I can make a separate video on this if you guys want me to, but that's just the main era of TikTok Shop Live. But for videos, again, it's the same thing. There's really just main general categories of types of videos that you can make, such as bottom of funnel, middle funnel, and top of funnel. And then on top of that, if you don't want to go that route of going super specific into finding exactly what type of funnel, then you can just go ahead and just copy viral videos that already proven to work. But that being said, if you guys want a video on that as well, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. But that being said, if you're ready to start TikTok Shop and you know everything that you need to know, here's the only one requirement that you do need to actually get inside the program. Now, the program, unfortunately, is a little bit less limited than it was last year, where you had to have 5,000 followers and all these specific requirements to actually get in the program. Now it's a little bit less strict. So now you only need 1,000 followers to actually get inside the program. But again, if you buy followers or you buy an account that's simply not from the country that you live in, you're still going to have those complications. So if you have an account and you're from the United States and you have a US account, or you have, an account that's from another country, but you live in the United States, that's not going to work for you. If you live in the United States and you have an account that you created or you bought from somebody or somewhere where it was just created in the United States, that account works. But if you don't have an account and you're just trying to fast track the process, then let me go ahead and recommend the best place that I get my accounts from. Now, if you guys live from the United States, this is the best place to go ahead and get your TikTok shop account because it's a really sketchy market out there. Now, if you go over to any general account marketplaces, they all know that people just like you are trying to buy cheap accounts, but obviously they jack the price up, and on top of that, they're still not good accounts. Because what people won't tell you is that the type of account and the quality of the accounts are very important to your actual success. Because let's just say that you're trying to get into a race car competition, but if your car only goes 50 miles per hour and the other ones go 200, no matter what you do or whatever strategy that you put into driving, you're not going to win regardless. So I don't want you guys to be held by the neck despite how good you are at TikTok shop and actually making videos. So this is the website that I actually use to make over $50,000. So monetizecreator.com is going to be linked in the first description down below. This is essentially the most premium and the best quality service that I can actually personally vouch for when actually getting started with TikTok shop. Now, they've helped thousands of other people actually get started with the program, and the process is extremely seamless. All you do is literally just place an order. You wait anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, and then from there, all the information such as getting logged into your account, how to warm it up, and actually how to start posting videos is delivered to you. Now, all the accounts are completely organic, and again, this is very important to actually starting your account right and not getting flagged by TikTok. Now, again, if you're from the United States, it is very important that you have an account with a follower base that actually has the followers from the United States. So most accounts come with anywhere from 30 to 50% United States followers, which is pretty much the minimum for TikTok not actually flagging you down. And then on top of that, if any of the issues run into your account, you will have that 14-day back guarantee. So they're going to go ahead and replace the account that you currently have if you run into any issues like the account getting hacked, stolen, shadow banned, or you get locked out, like any of those main things, they will replace it for you, which most places don't really do. And of course, it's for a reason. You're paying a really cheap price for a really cheap account from a really cheap seller that really doesn't care about you. So they're not really going to meet those expectations or needs. And then on top of that, once you actually get to 5,000 followers or 1,000 followers on TikTok, you essentially are going to be hit with the application process. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you have bot followers, if you have account that's essentially from another country, or just any way that TikTok finds it suspicious, they will literally decline you from the program and you cannot reapply. So I don't want you guys wasting all that time doing all these external methods just trying to save some money or save some time just to get rejected. And I would go ahead and just use this website. And that being said, they've served to thousands of other people, and I personally am one of those customers that's purchased over 5 accounts. So this is the best place that I personally recommend to you guys. And again, it's a little bit of a pricier option, which I completely understand. And they do obviously provide you accounts with over 10,000 followers just to ensure that you're not getting some cheap account that falls below their requirement or just simply gets banned. Because if TikTok finds you on an account that literally was not activated or posted on within 2 years and has only 5,000 followers just above the threshold, they're still going to be very cautious of who you are. So if you actually purchase an account that literally has videos that are being posted every single day organically, so they know that you're just an average person, they're not going to know the difference. So again, this is my personal recommendation to you guys. And if you go ahead and tap that link in the description down below, you are going to go ahead and get the first link access, as they do have limited availability. But that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you have any other questions or concerns about TikTok Shop Affiliate as to why you should start, you need to just go ahead and start now.